Welcome to Abrar Electrical World YouTube channel. This is the distance protection or transmission line protection related lecture. So there is an important aspect of the distance relay, and that is the arc resistance calculation and the effect on the relay's reach. So what are the reaches and what is under and over reach? I will make another video today. But this is about the what is the arc resistance and how do we calculate this. So let's see. So this is an approximate formula, and it is known as the Warrington formula, and you can see here the fault resistance is equal to 2.9 10 raised to the power 4 L, and then you have the fault current in the bottom, high fault current in the ampere, and you get the resistance of the uh, arc fault. Now there are two kind of arc faults. The arc may be face to face or it may be face to ground. When it is face to ground, so actually it is face to the tower. You can see face to the tower because tower is grounded, and face to face means the between the two phases. So this is covered in the length of the arc because face to face distance is different and the arc face to the tower distance every time it can be different. So this formula covers both the cases, that the arc resistance when the fault is face to face or fault is face to ground fault. So this is the formula, and due to the this arc resistance, actually the if you visualize the path of the fault current, so it will go into the arc, and then through the arc it will go to the ground and then return to the neutral at the power plant or at the grid station or substation. So this arc resistance will become the part of the path of the resistance in the flow of the fault current. So what will happen? The relay setting which you have made, then it will be affected by the change of the this resistance, this path resistance, because this is now not only the resistance or impedance of the transmission line conductor, but it also includes now the arc resistance. So the relay will, in those cases, will underreach. Now, what is underreach and what is overreach and what is reach? So I am making another video about this. What are the reaches, under and over reaches, and then we will develop that. I am trying to cover those angles of the transmission line which are not normally covered in the academics and also in the video tubes, YouTube channels. You can find many slides and the videos and presentations on the distance relay zones. So that I will do that, but I think I will touch the topic which are very effective and neglected by the teachers or by the engineers. So one of them is the arc fault resistance. Other will be different, that the operation of distance relay under heavy load, or the operation of the distance relay when there is no voltage, or the power swing, etc. So I will cover those subjects, inshallah. Please subscribe, share my channel. This is absolutely for the benefit of the engineers and the students of electrical engineering. Please share and subscribe.